Tonight I will tell you a tale, not of reindeer or snow, but a very different trail. It was a cold, cold night in a town called Reading, where engines were purring and mischief was spreading. Inside a warm workshop, glowing and bright, Santa was working late into the night.
Oh, didn't expect to see you there. As you can see, I've got my new vehicle for this year. We've upgraded from the Starato last year because that wasn't very friendly on boot space. We've got the brand new Urus SC. Super excited to take this car on a journey tomorrow night. We've packed up, we're all ready to go. So I'm gonna get to bed and have a good night's sleep before the big day tomorrow. Oh, I've got my keys and I'm gonna hide them in this biscuit tin as a Faraday cage because that will stop all the cheeky elves from driving it tonight. Ah, this key.
As Santa left, he thought his pride and joy were safe. Keys in the old tin, his favourite hiding place. But silly old Santa, he hadn't a clue that something was watching and quietly grew.
Hello, little girl. How dare you enter the Grinch's lair! The impudence! The audacity! The unmitigated gall! You've called out the thunder. Now get ready for the boom!
Not what to do with the beast he'd found. He wanted to take it, kept glancing around. He couldn't stop staring, no chance he would leave. But the Grinch soon realizes he just needs the keys.
Now you're dead! Run for your life before I again! Some fire now.
So the night went on, he'd soon pay the price. The Grinch didn't stop, didn't even think twice. He screamed out with joy with Santa's new toy, but failed to notice the tracking device. The Grinch had his fun, but something felt wrong. A tingle of guilt that grew a bit strong. Sitting alone as the engine purred low, he thought of the chaos and the Christmas below. Maybe, just maybe, it was time to let go.
Oh, had a lovely sleep last night and the car is still here, all ready to go. Off now to go deliver the presents to all good boys and girls. I hope, 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 hope you have a very Merry Christmas.
Was the tale of the Grinch that stole Santa's Lambo. We have told him time and time again. Next year I hope he'll listen and invest in a proper security system. Don't be Santa, be smart. Night now, and Merry Christmas from all of us over here at John Cleese.